Hi everyone, it's Gail. I am here with a little journal that I made to give away to one of my subbies. Um, I am almost at 4,000 subscribers. Unbelievable. It blows me away, and I'm so very grateful to all of you that take the time to watch my videos and have left such amazingly encouraging and affirmative sort of comments. It's just it's pretty humbling. It really is, and I'm so grateful that I embarked on this YouTube journey. I've made some amazing friends and have such lovely relationships with so many wonderful women that I'm so grateful. So thank you, everyone. As you could tell, I titled this video in such a way that people wouldn't know it was a giveaway necessarily. That idea came from Paula Furter, and I have to thank Diane Hubert for reminding me where I saw that, because I did see that Paula had done that, so that it was just the subscribers that had been with her that would be in the giveaway. Not that there won't be a few new subscribers, and that's great, but I don't want to have a whole bunch of people just subscribe just so they can try and get this journal, because it's a darling little journal. I love it so much. As you know, I have a little thing about bunnies, and they are significant in my life, and so I love this little rabbit, little golden book, and haven't ever given one of these away in a giveaway, so I thought that would be good. So let's look at the book, and then I'll tell you what I'm hoping for from you to enter into this giveaway. So it's one of my little golden books with the buttons on the spine, and I did a little lace. It's a fabric cover, and I do have videos on both those things. If you haven't seen those and are interested, you can go check those out. Let's see what else. Oh, I did put corners on it. The corners were a little ragged. This book, I can't remember exactly the copyright, but we'll check that out when we get into it. Even though this is a book about rabbits, I didn't make it Easter-ish. There's bunnies in it, so it certainly could be an Easter journal, but it's I went with the bunnies more so than anything about Easter or anything. So let's see. 1989 is when this little golden book was from. So look at the darling illustrations. Aren't they so cute? Let me just make sure I'm really well in frame there. Okay, so let's start. A pocket here with the Hermelinda tag. So there's lots of journaling space in here, but there's also lots of decorative paper where you could put on photos and whatever. Here's my new little bunny stamp that I love. Some coffee dyed paper. This little envelope is, it's a big envelope actually, so it fit in the signature, but you can tuck something in there. A little Rita Donnelly flip here, and just some extra paper and a vintage playing card. Isn't she cute? I liked her little face. Some craft paper. The entire story, of course, is in here, as I like to do with the golden books. There's some vintage children's music pages in here. This fabric flip, I did a little fabric collage on the top, and then this really cute fabric. I don't know how well you can see it down there, but let me show you up here. It says Gracie. I love that little children's or little girl fabric, and my friend gifted that to me, so it was fun to include that. I love that page. Then this is just more scrapbook paper, and then I used the printables from Mrs. Cog. She has a bunny kit, and of course I was thrilled to see that, and they are just fabulous images. So those are just on cardstock to make little journaling cards, so you'll see those scattered throughout the book too. Some more coffee dye. Here's a double belly band. You could actually tuck under here too. And again, it's one of the bunny printables from Mrs. Coggs. And then this is just a Project Life card that I put a little fabric tab on and embellished there. So those two go in there. I just love that. I think that's so cute. This is from another children's book that had some bunnies, and so I just did a little tuck there, and it's got a vintage flash card and another one of Mrs. Cog's images. Some coffee dye. This is just some little cutout circles that were stitched together that I just stitched along the side of that page. This page has a envelope made out of another children's book that I just liked the pages. Middle of the first signature. That's my favorite bunny stamp, I think. I don't know. Every stamp with bunnies is my favorite. Here's a Dick and Jane book pocket, and again, it's got one of Mrs. Cog's beautiful images in it. More coffee dye. This little side band has one of Mrs. Cog's printables. And this one wasn't from, I think this one wasn't from the bunnies. I think this was maybe Into the Forest or Forest Creatures, one of those kits, but also Mrs. Cog's. And then a little fabric pocket, and I did just a fabric ruffle, and I put one of my decoupaged tags in there. And these are the embossed ones. I think you can maybe see the embossing there. And so I tuck that in there. The music paper. And then this is another Rita Donnelly flip here. And I tried my hand at making a shaker tag. And Aaliyah, you're the one who inspired me to do that. And it was so much fun. So thank you. So that just goes in there. Yeah, it was fun to do. Okay, and here's another Mrs. Coggs and some more paper. There's lots of scrapbook paper included here so that you can kind of make it your own and add some pockets or tucks wherever you might want to, or use them as journaling cards, whichever. And there's the children's music again. This is from another children's book with this cute little bunny, and then Mrs. Coggs in the pocket. Well, Mrs. Coggs is not in the pocket. Mrs. Coggs, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to say you were in the pocket. Your digital is in the pocket. Oh my goodness. Here's an index card. I just put a little ruffled piece of an edge of a quilt on that. And I believe, yep, this is a double belly band also. So if you wanted to put something under this embellishment, you sure could. So a little stamp about friends, because I have made so many wonderful ones in this YouTube and junk journal world. Another flip, a guest check, and another vintage playing card. Another pocket with another Hermelinda tag. here's that circle trim sewn on again. Another little quote. I love this picture of the mama bunnies and her baby bunnies. Another envelope attached on. And another one of Mrs. Cog's images. I think this is my favorite bunny stamp. The bunny's reading the book. Two of my favorite things, bunnies and books. And then this pocket again has another one of the bunny printables. Another one. And a Rita Donnelly flip. Other side of the envelope in this signature. Here's Bunny again. And just a journaling card under this sideways belly band. And then we've got another little tuck. It's got one of Mrs. Cog's printables, and then this is just a little packet of some extra paper into a notebook there. And then the last page. And then it's just closed up with a hitch post fastener. And there it is. So what I would like you to do is, if you are a subscriber, you must be a subscriber, and then if you would leave a comment below and just give me an idea of a video you'd like me to do, tutorial or a craft with me, a show and tell, whatever it might be. I'd love to have some ideas of what you might like to see or what you might like to learn. I mentioned this in my last craft with me video and got a couple of really good ideas even from that. So I want to keep a list of them, and I just want to do the videos that you all want to see, because you have been such a gift in my life and I am so appreciative. So thank you so much. Subscribe and comment below and you have a chance to win Oh Little Rabbit. Thanks everyone for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.